You don't ever wanna be in no videos with your mama. With your mama.
I have before. What are we eating?
I'm about to cook right now. What's up, what's up, what's up? What's up, guys? Your girl Ariana, that cute little brown girl everybody want a little taste of. And today we are back with another cooking video. And I may or may not have a special guest. You helping me? Got a little, don't mind us, it's late. We don't care. We free here. We gonna do what we gotta do what we gotta do. So, you need to shave.
I need a sale.
Go get your stool. Talk about you need to shave. I didn't say you need to shave. Anyway, y'all, before we get into the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Before we get into the video,
What?
before we get into the video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification, hit that thumbs up, and comment down below. Team Airi all day, every day. If you didn't know, now you know. Big thing, pop it up. Thanks, stop it. Hey, 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 hey. What? You want to fight in the kitchen? Huh? Huh? Huh?
What if I'm going to be tailored and then they won't? Oh, and then something be tailored, oh, that, oh, and then it breaks.
Then we're gonna have to live on the street.
Does the camera?
Yeah.
How why?
Because that's how we make our money. That's how we live.
No.
Yes. Okay, anyway, so we are gonna be making some lemon, oh shoot. So we're gonna be making some lemon pepper fish. I'm going to be momming while I'm cooking today. This is my real life. We're not gonna sugarcoat it for y'all or nothing like that. I'm making some roasted potatoes and some glazed carrots as well, because I went grocery shopping, and I'm not gonna give y'all no long story, but we're just gonna get right into the cooking. So what I'm about to do first is I'm gonna go ahead and get my fish. I went ahead and rinsed it off and everything already, and then we're gonna put it on our, what's this called?
The green bowl?
Put it on our cutting tray. I always use these when I'm putting my stuff on there. And yeah, first and foremost, what we gotta do?
Cook our hands.
Wash our
Cook our
hands.
hands.
We gotta wash our hands. I didn't see no soap lather up over there.
I do. Try to do this. Oh, yeah, I'm tall, man. You're taller than me.
Mm-hmm. That's how it be.
And even you taller than a Lala.
I'm taller than all of y'all. Drink that. All right, so what we are going to be doing now is we got our fish laid out, and we are going to pat it dry. Pat it dry. We want to get soak up all this wetness. This is what they was doing in the video I watched. So that's what we gonna do. So we are just drying it of as much water as we can, if possible, and that's good. All right, and so the ingredients that we are going to be using, we're gonna be using some Creole Tony seasoning, some lemon pepper seasoning, and then some black pepper, and also some Cajun seasoning. So we are also gonna be putting this in the oven because I'm trying so hard to get us eating healthy, right? That's our whole plan. We want to eat healthy. Daniel is also gonna be my eating healthy partner. Although I went grocery shopping for him and bought him a whole bunch of junk food because I didn't know he was gonna go on a diet with me. But he gonna eat all of them snacks before he start working out with me. Yes.
I'm not eating all of them.
You don't gotta eat all of them in one day, but yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and season our fish.
I made a statue.
Hmm?
I'm gonna do it.
It's how many fishes is there?
6.
Okay, so how many should I do so it can be even?
2. And then I do 2, and then you do the rest.
It's 3 and 3. Remember, that's the seasoning that makes it spicy, so don't go too hard. Make sure you get over there. Get up there. Get this one. All right, good job. Okay, you gonna turn this, you gonna make it be spicy, and you gonna be like, Okay, so we're going in with our lemon pepper seasoning, y'all. I'm calling it lemon pepper fish, but honestly, we're just about to eat some baked fish. It's gonna be good. But I'm gonna put a little lemon zest in there so it can be a little lemony. You know what I'm saying? We trying. You feel me? Say we trying. We trying. All right, go in with a little black pepper. Just a little bit. You see, it's sparse.
What's sparse?
I don't know. It's not a lot in there. You didn't see how I was doing it? You see, you want to like drizzle it. Oh, it's really not a lot in there. You want to drizzle it, like drizzle. Oh, this is empty.
I can't drink the well.
Do it. There you go.
I can't.
Yes, okay, that's enough. Dang! Mr. Heavy Hand.
I think wow.
All right, so now we're about to go ahead and prepare our pan so we can put this in the oven. Go ahead and get our potatoes. We're gonna go ahead and rinse these bad boys off. Give them a good rinsing, a good washing. Wash that potato up. We gonna wash it up. We're gonna wash the I'm trying to stop. We're gonna wash our potatoes up. Yes, sir. Gonna wash these bad boys up, okay? Just grab a few at a time so they don't fall in the trash.
You didn't say that.
But I didn't say don't dump them in the trash.
No, you didn't say that before.
Why does somebody have to tell you, hey, don't grab more than you can grab? What?
I can grab.
Okay, so now what we are gonna do is cut our potatoes up. As y'all can see, we're gonna just cut these bad boys up. Daniel is gonna be using his knife, and I'm gonna be using mine. I'm gonna show you how I want them cut. So some of these we may be using, some of them we not. If they salvageable, we are gonna see. So cut it in half. You gotta like saw it back and forth because your knife's not as sharp as mine. It's taking too long.
Yeah. They were taking too long.
Oh my goodness. Is it really?
Yeah.
Daniel, stop where you cut your fingers. See, that's what I'm saying. I'm about to give you no real knife now.
I can't do it. I can't cut it.
I know it's not. I know it's not. It's not for cutting potatoes, that's why. But I wanted you to feel involved, so I was trying to give you something to do. But it looks like you don't like that. You cut yourself?
No. Why you know I cut myself?
Because the way you was holding your finger, I was about to say, like, that's exactly why. Well, put your hand on the top. And then push down. Okay, there we go. I cut you?
No, it's a potato skin. What?
I thought I cut you. We got them all cut up, sliced up, and diced up the way I like them, okay? And now what we're gonna go ahead and do is we about to season these bad boys. So I don't know if this is the right way or not, but this is how I do them. This is how it works for me. This is how we get the flavor that we like, the way that we like them, when we like them, the way that we like them, when we do, and the way that we do, how do we like them, when the way that we do, when we like them, and say that we do it, that we do. Okay, bet. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour some of this up in here. This is vegetable oil. You're just gonna pour a little bit, right? I'm gonna put a little garlic in there because I told y'all how I feel about garlic. I love me some garlic. Then I'll give you $5 if you eat some garlic. Eat some. Eat some. Eat some. Eat some.
I'm scared.
Eat some.
You try it first.
I already know what it tastes like.
Please.
Do not spit that out on my counter. Go to the bathroom.
Now give me my $5. Give me my $5. Give me my $5. Give me my $5, Mommy.
Give you a $5? Mommy is broke.
No, you're not.
Okay, we're gonna put a little Cajun seasoning up in here. Oh my goodness. It really was nasty. We got our seasoning up in there, y'all. Like brownie mix, do the same thing. We just don't want it to fly everywhere. There you go. Keep going.
Like
Stir it up, stir it up.
Like
Watch it all fall down.
Like she go fast and then and I can make a tornado and then they spit all around stuff.
Alright, we got a little vegetable oil also on here because I don't want the potatoes to stick. And so as of now, what we gonna do? Let me see, boo.
I actually swallowed it.
You did?
Yeah.
It was really that nasty?
Yeah.
It was good?
Yeah.
Oh, you pretending? Okay, pretend to cry. Let me see your acting skills. Pretend to be angry.
Can I give my $5?
Oh, this looks so good, don't it? Daniel, I'm gonna give you a $5 in the next month. I did trick you. All right, y'all, we're about to put these potatoes in the oven for 350, and I will let y'all know when everything comes out once they are done. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our finished meal. Go ahead and catch into the details. Y'all hear that sizzle, pop, and crack? Y'all hear it, y'all hear it. And we got our fish. Let me see, I gotta get where the lighting good. We got our fish too. Well, as y'all know, I'm not doing that fake, oh my gosh, we about to eat and plate it. It is actually really late, and I'm told y'all I'm really taking this whole eating healthy thing, like, I'm trying to take it serious. I'm trying to lose a lot of, like, inches in the next 30 days, and so we got to get it right. So we eating healthy, and so I didn't get a chance to taste the delicious meal. I just took it out the oven. It's done now. It is 9:31, so I'm not gonna be able to eat it, but I did show y'all what I made, how it was looking, and I just know it tastes good. I can't take a little, no, I'm not gonna take a little bite for y'all. I need to stay strong because you can't take a little bite. Next thing you know, you gotta put a little barbecue sauce on it, a little salt, a little pepper, and next thing you know, it's just a whole little commotion. But like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification, hit that thumbs up button, comment down below. Team Airi all day, every day. If you didn't know, now you know. Big thing, problem, little thing, stop it. I literally forgot to add my fresh lemon on there, but that's my lemon, that's my fish and my potatoes, and I was supposed to make carrots, but like I said, we keep it real. I'm cooking and I'm just taking y'all on this process with me. This is day 2 of me cooking, so I am really proud. So we're gonna try to shoot for another day, even though technically this will be dinner for tomorrow. So y'all probably not gonna get this video because I got a vlog for y'all. We gonna work it out. We gonna work it out. Y'all gonna get it. Y'all gonna get it. But comment down below some food suggestions that y'all think I should try out. But let me know if y'all think Daniel should be our co-host or not. Like, was he giving that energy we needed, or was it giving very much, boo, we want somebody else? Like, no, that's my baby. But I love y'all so much. I hope y'all are having an amazing day. Continue to try new things, try new foods, try new places, try new hobbies and passions. I really have been enjoying this whole cooking. One thing I noticed is that it doesn't take as long as I mentally thought it was gonna take, and it's actually been like really fun, even like doing stuff where Daniel's starting to get involved too. It's definitely been super amazing. So I'm not gonna blabber on and on, but y'all got to see me cook. Thank y'all for cooking with me. And yes, some of these I may eat the food, some of them I may not. The goal is to probably make it earlier, but y'all see the food, it was delicious, it looked delicious, so we just gonna say it was delicious. And this was stamped
by the Mocha Princess. I ain't gonna say 10 out of 10 because we gotta be real. I ain't eat it. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I'm out. Peace.